Hi guys. Hi guys, we're playing. Oh, no, what? Hi guys, we're eating balot.
Car will try balot. So it's your first time to eat balot.
Yes.
What do you expect here?
He said a chick.
There's a chick. Are you afraid of the chick?
No.
Oh, this is mainit ito ha. Mainit kasi bagong luto. Mainit. So you need to muna natin ito. Hold-tap muna to. Ito may sabaw. Ihigupin mo yung sabaw ng balot.
Ew. Ew.
Lagyan natin konting salt. You know why may sabaw yan? Higupin mo sa sabaw ng balot. One, two, three.
Not bad.
Kakain mo not bad again. Go.
It's so hot.
So hot. Sige. Okay na. So this is the moment of truth. What's inside of it? It's you call that embryo.
Why they call it an embryo?
Embryo, hindi pa not bare.
Ew. What's that?
It's a chick inside.
It's like half cooked, half raw.
No, it's already cooked. Sip-sip ko na. So, ayan na. The moment of truth. So, that's the chick.
I drink that?
Yeah. I want to try na.
No.
It's a chick na. Ito na lang, yung white, yung yellow egg na lang.
No.
Want to try the egg?
No.
Hindi. What? Ayan yung ulo ng sisiw. Katawan, the embryo. Let's try this one.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a piece only.
Yeah, sige.
It's just regular egg, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can literally drop it.
It's just another egg lang.
It's just egg but look weird.
Yes, dapat na pagkakain ka nito, huwag mong titignan. Kasi, looks so lucky. I will try. Lulunukin ko lahat ng itlog.
All foreigner, yan ang kinakain ng
Yeah.
foreigner.
Already ka na. I will
No.
eat this chick. 1, 2, 3.
Kainin mo, yan ang kinakain ng foreigner.
Sarap. Sarap?
No.
Balot.
Never doing that again.
Ah.
If you go to America, yan ang